option, press 2.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
My honor left a long time ago.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is Angel. I am with Pics Photography. Now today what I'm going to be doing is a review slash install on a 2016 Nissan Maxima. I'm going to be replacing the stock halogen yellow lights with 6000 Kelvin LED lights. Now these will be the DDM Tuning headlights, and these are the 50 watt. So they're the highest range, the better quality, the better lighting that you're going to get out of the LED. So I'll be doing this video to show the quality and what it has to give as far as a product. And it is a 6000 Kelvin color temperature. So let's get these installed and let's go ahead and see what's going on with these. Okay, so this is the packaging that we have. It is very nicely wrapped. It is saran wrapped, and I will tell you the okay, we have a 50 watt per bulb. It is 1000 lumens, so it is pretty bright. Let me see if I could go ahead and see if you guys can see that. If anything, I'll put it up on the screen. Waterproof. It does come with a cooling fan. Lifespan is up to 50,000 hours, and the warranty is 2 years. Right there, DDM 2-year warranty. Let's go ahead and open this up. And let me get my trusty little safety thing. So let's go ahead and cut it up. Alright, let's go ahead and do the big review. This is the tuning. Okay, as you can see, it comes with product manual. And right here you have the LED. You have some tiny zip ties, and there's your packaging. Let's go ahead and take one of these out and we'll go ahead and review how it looks, how it feels, connection, and let's check it out. So as you can see, we have the built-in fan at the bottom. You have cooling fins, a rubber seal. You have 3 LEDs in each side. You have a flicker capacitor right here, and you have the connection that should plug and play into your car. So hopefully we'll go ahead and put this on, and I'm going to bring the car over. My wife is currently not here, so once this gets done, we'll go ahead and take care of it. So there you go. This is my 2016 Nissan Maxima that I will be changing up from halogen lights to LED lights. So it is a process. So let's go ahead and take care of this right now. It's late at night, it's fresh, and everything's good. Let's take care of it. Okay, so the first order of business we have to do is we have to put the car on jack stands. We have to take off the tires because it's very hard to get to the light bulb housing from the top of the car. You have to go in through the liners. So I'm going to check where I'm supposed to go through and see how that's going to work out. But for now, let's go ahead and take the wheels off. Okay, there it is. Okay, so you didn't really have to take off all of that. Now that's if you really just want to have the easiest way possible. You would only have to take off 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. This clip right here is a pressure clip, so you can slip in, slip out. Sorry, you can't see that. There we go. Okay, so that clip just uses screwdriver, flathead, Make sure you pop it in here and just push it out. So from here I can actually see the light bulb, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it out. So right here, if you pull this up, you'll be able to see the light bulb, and just go ahead and switch it out as best as you can without damaging any of the surrounding properties. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll get back to you. So always before you close everything up, please just make sure that the light is gonna go ahead and turn on. So let's go ahead and try that out. So it didn't. So let's go ahead and try this again. Okay, so it turns on, so that means we are okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the socket. Alright, it's in the socket, so let me go ahead and try it out. Alright, so there you go. Now you will be doing the same thing for both sides. Now remember, have patience, don't break anything, don't lose anything, and never work twice unless you're doing the same job on both sides. But let's go ahead and take care of the other side. It's the same thing, so I won't bore you with that. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So this is the comparison between the halogen and the LED from DDM. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna turn off all the lights and turn the lights on to the car. Okay, so the next one I will be changing will be the license plate lights. I will go ahead and turn this light off, and I will start the car, and that's how you can see the yellowish tint. Not the greatest, so we're gonna go ahead and change that out as well. Okay, so they're all out at the moment, and the reason I do this is because if you decide to try to push this out, you're gonna end up either cracking or crimping this liner, and after that it won't look so good. So you always, that extra little work could save you a lot of headache, and the aesthetics mean a lot on a car. Okay, so we're in. So what you're looking at here is the actual wiring for the license plate, the backup camera, any other features on the trunk, as far as the backup lights that I changed to JDM Star LEDs. And at the moment what we're going to do is going to go ahead and pop the license plate lights out. And I went ahead and purchased some replacement bulbs, which are going to be white, to give it that nice slick look to the license plate. And we're going to go ahead and replace it with some diffused white LEDs from the tuning. Sorry, a little bit out of breath, already tired. So you can see, all you got to do is pop them in. DDM, this is the M17. They are bipolar, so you can put them either which way and they still work. Now once again, if you want to make sure they work, you go ahead and test it prior to reinstalling everything. It's always perfect. There we go, and lights up. That's what we wanted. And let's go ahead and check that out. That is the LED right there. So it is diffused, so it gives you 360-degree lighting. DDM, you put it either which way and it's gonna work. So let's go ahead and do a comparison. I will install the halogen. Let that turn off. And we will be installing the DDM Tuning LED. And there you go. Looks really good. Let's go ahead and install both of them and get this night done so we can test fit everything. Ow, hot. Now these aesthetics will make your car look way nicer. It's gonna make it look even more luxurious. Now I do apologize, my car is dirty today because it rained and I wasn't foreseeing to make this video today, but I jumped on it. Let's go ahead and reinstall the light bulb back in there. All done. And now let's go ahead and reinstall the lining to the trunk cover. Okay guys, so we are technically done with the upgrade from DDM Tuning. Now right now we'll be turning off the light so we can see the difference. That looks way more luxurious, that looks way more sexy, as you can tell. Now let's go ahead and do a test drive. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so right now what we're going to do is go ahead and do the drive test to see how they look as we drive, and we'll do a comparison. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, what you're seeing right now are the DRLs, so they're not the actual headlights. So let's go ahead and drive. These are the DRLs. We're gonna go ahead and turn on and these are the brand new DDM Tuning 50 watt 6000 Kelvin LED lights with up to 2-year warranty. And I'm gonna take a quick drive around. As you can see, extremely brighter, with a 10,000 lumen. Sorry if you hear any feedback in the car, but you can see it is a huge difference to the halogen. And these are the highest wattage you can get. And once again, I get a yellow light again. Okay, so longer, and once again we'll go into the cul-de-sac so you can see a difference. There we go, and that is the lighting difference. Let's go ahead and do a walk around. Let's go ahead and make sure everything looks nice, everything looks even. So I'm going to remove this from the car. Sorry for the jiggling. As you can tell, it is a huge difference. It looks way more luxury. It does have a bluish tint. The 6000 has a bluish tint, a little bit of white, but overall looks really good. And we're gonna go to the back and look at the You can see it looks very unique. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, and we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and let you know what my reviews on this product was. So let's go ahead and back into my office.